As ICU hospital units in Alabama fill up with patients, nurses are in high demand. Burnout is one reason officials say there is a shortage, and so is the fact that some nurses have tested positive and then have to be quarantined. NBC 15's James Gordon has been looking at the shortage issue and if it's affected the future of the nursing profession. James?
Well, because of all that, you'd think that students would fear becoming nurses because of the pandemic, but it's actually not the case. Here at Coastal Alabama Community College, they boast about having some of the top-rated nursing programs in the state.
Our enrollment has pretty much stayed even. We haven't had a big change in enrollment as of yet. Now, it'll be interesting to see if that changes as we get into applications for the next semester.
Jean Graham is the Dean of Nursing and Allied Health. She says the college recognizes registered nurses are among the most sought-out employees in Alabama, and students know it too.
Well, it's actually been that way for a while, and the pandemic has just heightened that need drastically.
Local hospitals are still welcoming students who need hands-on training, but the number of students allowed is limited.
We take our precautions, we take our health seriously, we do things to avoid burnout, but at the same time, our staff has been tremendously willing to take some of that risk on.
Dr. Darren Scroggy says nurses, including students, are very aware that they are taking a risk to take care of COVID patients. And it's not because it's what they signed up to do. He says it's what they want to do.
You want to take care of people who are sick. You want to help people who are sick. And sometimes that puts you at risk, but it's part of the calling that physicians and nurses have, is to take care of sick people.
And coming up, learning how to become a nurse in the virtual world. Will it be enough to graduate? That story at 6 o'clock. For now, we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.